Stop everything. The AI world just got hit with a bombshell. DeepSeek is here and it's changing the game. DeepSeek isn't just another AI tool, it's a business intelligence powerhouse. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or just curious about business trends, this AI breaks down complex data, saves you time, and helps you make better decisions. And to show you just how powerful DeepSeek is, we're going to use it to evaluate a business for sale in real time. If you've ever thought about buying a business, but didn't know where to start, this is going to save you time, money, and reduce your risk. So let's go. Say you're thinking about buying a business. Instead of spending weeks manually crunching numbers, DeepSeek lets you drop in financials, scan the market, and get a full SWOT analysis automatically. All right, let me show you. First, we pull in profit and loss statements, tax returns, and balance sheets. DeepSeek scans for red flags, debt issues, and cash flow trends in seconds. Hidden debt? AI catches it. Weak margins? You see them immediately. This is the insight investors and buyers pay thousands for, except you get it instantly. Next up, how strong is this business against competitors? Because buying the wrong business in the wrong market equals a disaster. With just a company name, DeepSeek pulls in competitor data, market growth trends, and local business density. No need to hire an expensive analyst. So if a big chain is about to move in and crush this business, you'll know. If this company is the only game in town, that's a green flag. Now let's talk opportunity. Every business has strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. But spotting them is where most people struggle. DeepSeek handles this instantly. Maybe the business has loyal customers, but weak marketing. Maybe it's in a booming industry, but has outdated operations. With DeepSeek, you don't just buy a business, you buy a strategy to grow it. All right, you found a business you love, the numbers check out, and the SWOT analysis looks promising. Now, the big question, how do you negotiate the best deal? Most buyers either overpay or get stuck in endless back and forth because they don't know how to negotiate. But here's the trick. DeepSeek helps you practice before you walk into the meeting. With AI-powered agents, you can simulate real negotiation conversations, test different counteroffers, and get scripts on what to say to maximize your deal. Maybe the seller's overvaluing goodwill, or they've hidden the major expense in the financials. DeepSeek highlights these leverage points so you can negotiate with facts, not just gut instinct. This alone could save you thousands, even tens of thousands on your deal. And the best part? You can practice as many times as you want, so when the real conversation happens, you're ready. And here's the thing. DeepSeek isn't just another AI tool. It's been outperforming ChatGPT, Claude, and other top AI models in head-to-head comparisons. When it comes to business intelligence, DeepSeek is winning. But why does that matter? Because when you're making real-world decisions that involve money, risk, and opportunity, you need an AI that's built for analysis, not just conversation. So why use DeepSeek instead of old school models? Easy. DeepSeek analyzes financials instantly. Accountants take days. DeepSeek runs market and competitor analysis automatically. Consultants charge thousands. DeepSeek finds growth opportunities up front. Most buyers miss them entirely. This isn't just another AI tool. This is how smart entrepreneurs evaluate businesses fast. And the best part, DeepSeek is free to try. Want my exact AI prompts to analyze businesses like this? Drop a comment below saying DeepSeek and I'll send them straight to you. So if you're serious about buying or investing in a business, don't waste time. Use AI to get the full picture, make smarter decisions, and find the best opportunities. Click the link below, try DeepSeek, and start evaluating businesses like a pro today.